Good morning, students. So today we read mensuration chapter 11.2. So before that, in previous class we have discussed the different formulas of rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, and a circle. So by using the formula of triangle or rectangle, how can you find out the area of a trapezium or any quadrilateral, and another is rhombus. The first area of a trapezium, the formula we will find out how to find out area. Suppose this is a trapezium here. Okay. Trapezium whose one side is parallel to each other. Suppose it is a trapezium, it will give name A, B, C, D, E, whose AB is parallel to CD, where one opposite side is parallel to each other. The AB parallel to CE. Suppose BC is your H. Okay, height. If you convert this type, then this is H. So suppose H, and this is A total, this is B. Okay, or I will just make a straight line. B, this is A, and this much only A, and this is C. Okay, so suppose BC equal to H, then CE equal to B, CD equal to A, and DE equal to C. Yes, let's see. BC H, CD A, DE C, CE suppose B. Okay. So suppose ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. So area, what you know? So length into breadth. So if your length is H, breadth is A, length is H, breadth is A, so H into A. Okay, area. Then area of triangle ADE equal to half, you know, base into height. Base is AD which is AD is equal to CD, means again H into height DE equal to C. Okay, so when you add these two, we will get area of completely ABCE. Suppose area of ABCD and area of ADE. When you add these two area, we will get the complete area of the trapezium. So these two RH side we will add. Okay, so half H into C plus H into A. So here common is H. Okay, when you H common, then half C plus A. Okay, then H common means if you plus this 2, C plus 2A, here Y1, so C plus 2A, then H into C plus A, 2A means we can write again A plus A by 2. Okay, then here, so here look, H into C plus A, only this much. C plus A means B. Okay, C plus A means total B plus A. Okay, B plus A by 2. So what does it mean? Height. This is height. A means this side this is A means B. So your formula trapezium, area of the trapezium is height into sum of two parallel sides by 2. So this is your formula. So what is trapezium formula? Half height into sum of two parallel sides by 2. Okay. So you first find out the area of this, then area of this. When we add these two areas, area of rectangle and triangle, we get the complete the area of trapezium. So formula is height into sum of two parallel sides by 2. So this is the area of trapezium. Okay. Now find out the area of the general quadrilateral. So general quadrilateral, if there is a diagonal and two height given. Suppose this is what the diagonal one, AC diagonal, H1 height, H2 another height. So here this general quadrilateral is divided into two parts. A, B, C, D divided into two parts, that is triangle A, B, C and triangle A, D, C. A, B, C, triangle A, D, C divided into two parts. If you find out the individual area, so I said that every formulas you can find out from the area of a triangle or a rectangle, square, all this. So first we find out the area of this area equal to half base equals AC into H1. So here base AC H1, then area of ADC क्या होगा? Half base same AC same base AC into H2 height 2. So you plus here total area of the quadrilateral means this plus this plus this. So here both common half AC. Okay. So H1 plus H2. That means in general quadrilateral, if a diagonal given and two heights given, the area formula is half AC diagonal into H1 plus H2. So this is the area formula of a general quadrilateral. Now area of a rhombus. So in rhombus, you know all sides are equal to each other, parallel, and diagonals also bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, it is right angle and bisect with each other means what? DO equal to OB, AO equal to OC, DC, AB parallel, AD, BC parallel. So these are the property of a rhombus. So same procedure, if you find out the area, then this angle, again same thing, triangle ABC, triangle ABC, angle ADC, angle ABC, two triangles are there. So here what? Half AC into OD, half AC into OD. Then here also half AC into OB. Okay, AC into OB. So here also same thing, half AC common, OD plus OB. So OD plus OB means BD. Okay, so yes, running means OD plus OB equal to BD. So half AC into OD plus OB equal to BD. That means what? Half into multiplication of two diagonals, BD. Okay. So half into diagonal 1, diagonal 2. Suppose half into it is D1 into D2. So area of a rhombus is half into D1 into D2. So it is a polygon, but it is not a trapezium, not a rhombus or a quadrilateral it is. So how can you find out the area of this figure? So you have to, so suppose this figure, just I am doing outline of this picture. So you have to divide into different parts. Suppose I draw here line, another here, another here. Then so it is divided into trapezium and triangles. So individually every part area you have to find out. Okay. So first suppose triangle AFB. That means half base how much? AF into BF height. Then it is a triangle. Triangle AFB. Triangle AFB. Area half AF into BF. Okay. Then trapezium. Trapezium BFHC. देखो BFHC. This area. Okay. So this is two parallel sides and this is height. So you know what? Half into height F H, then sum of two parallel sides BF plus HC. Okay. This is the area. By using this formula you find out the area. Then again triangle CHD. Triangle CHD. Again same formula, half base HD into height HC. HD HC. This area. Again come to this side. Again area of triangle AED, half AD into EG. AD into EG. So you have to add this 4. This plus this plus this. Then you will get the total area of this polygon. So if any other polygon is given, you try to divide the figure into parts and you will get a triangle or trapezium or rectangle, and by using these formulas we can find out the area of a complete figure. So today we learn the 3 formulas area. One is trapezium, whose formula is, again I will remind you. The first area of trapezium, area of trapezium is half into height into sum of two parallel sides. Okay, half into D into half into height or sum of two parallel sides. Okay, height into sum of two parallels. Okay, h into sum of two parallel sides. It is the area of a trapezium. Then area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral formula is half D diagonal H1 plus H2. This is the second formula. Then area of rhombus. Area of rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2. Okay, so area of rhombus equal to half into diagonal 1 diagonal 2. Then quadrilateral half into D into H1 plus H2. Then area of trapezium H into sum of two parallel sides by 2. So these are the 3 formulas you will use to solve the problems. Okay, so this is all about today's class. Thank you.